Why do I feel like I linger between the.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, jenniferchuaah. So today I'll be reviewing or unboxing the Boxycharm in 2018. I know I missed, I want to say November and December because, yeah, a lot of shit's been going on, and yeah. So this year I'm going to do a lot better and try to post all the time, but it's really hard with work and all that other stuff. So, I mean, I post on my Instagram daily, so if you want to check that out, make sure you follow me there because I do post daily looks on there. It just takes too long to just edit a video and all that stuff. So yeah. Well, anyways, so I got the Boxycharm for January, and each month it is $21 per month to get 5 full-size products. So in the box, it comes with this little foam thing to protect all of that makeup so it doesn't break. And this month's theme is Rock 2018. So you see all 5 products in here. So yeah, let's see. Yep, all 5. Let me take it out real quick. I'm just gonna throw this box on the ground. So you get all 5 products on here. So if you want to see what I got in this box this month, just keep on watching. So the first thing is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer, and it retails for $38, and here it is. It comes in this pretty blue silver ombre packaging, and let's read what it says. It says Luminizer Primer delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated flawless complexion. So I'm just gonna put some on my hand and check it out. So it comes out like this color right here, like this peachy color. I'm just rubbing it in to see how it feels on my hand. I like how it feels kind of tacky because I really like primers that are tacky, so my foundation stay on a lot more. And it smells pretty good too. And it does have that illuminizing effect. You see it. I don't know if you can really see it on my hand. But yeah. It has like little glitters in it and all that stuff just to highlight your face and all. So yeah. Can't wait to try. I was going to do a tutorial for this video, but decided not to because I'm trying to get this out before January ends. So I'm going to just review and swatch it, and then I'll just post a makeup look on Instagram later on this week using all these products. So yeah, let's get on to the next thing before I stop the camera. Yeah, that was just so awkward. Anyways, let's get to the second thing. So the second thing is the It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Its retail price is $24. And I just dropped it. 1 second. Okay, I got it. So it comes in, I shed so much or is that my hair? Anyways, it comes in this white, is it white or silver? Yeah, white and silver box. So here it is. So I'm going to take it out. If I could take it out. Come out. Okay then. So let's just throw this box to the ground. So here it is, the brow pencil. So it comes with the spoolie. And then this is the brow part. Why am I trying? I'm still holding this, whatever. So yeah, this is it. And see the color. I think it's probably a little too late for my eyebrows. Yeah, it's a little too late for me, I want to say, because I use a darker color actually on my eyebrows. But I do like how it is precise with the lines and stuff. Ooh. So I'll probably use this on my clients and stuff actually. So it'll probably be quicker for me to apply the eyebrows. But anyways, let's go read it. It says, developed with plastic surgeons, It Cosmetics' #1 best-selling award-winning eyebrow pencil is infused with brow-enhancing biotin, whatever that word is, lecithin, saw palmetto, nettle, green tea, antioxidants, grapeseed, and vitamins A, B5, C, and E, plus proprietary brow power technology to give you, this is such a long thing, to give you your most beautiful natural looking brows, even if you have none at all. Plus its universal transforming shade adjusts to all hairs based on pressure. Its exclusive oval tip mimics the look of real hair and is included in a built-in grooming spoolie brush for polished perfection. That was a long ass paragraph. I mean, I can see how it gets dark when you put a lot of pressure, because you can see towards the middle right here, I applied more pressure, so it got darker. But I still think it's probably a little too late for my eyebrows. But anyway, let's get to the third thing. This is the third thing. So the third thing in this box is the Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. Its retail price is $25. So here is the eyeshadow palette. I seen this on Instagram. I was like, oh my god, I had to get it. So here it is, and it slips out like that, and it says some stuff on the back, which I'll read in a second. And here's the little mirror. It's like a guitar shape, and then here are the colors. It still has a plastic case. Let me just rip that off. So here are all the colors. I don't normally go for this color palette, but we're going to go swatch some of these. We're probably going to swatch all these actually. So yeah, we're going to swatch all these colors, and I'm going to probably make an eye look later on this week using this palette. So we're just going to go read what this says on here. It says, rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals Eyeshadow Palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eye looks a breeze. And then I'm going to read what the back says right here. Does it say the same thing? Blah, 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 blah. Pretty much up to there. And it says to take your look up a notch with your eyeshadow brush application. This will intensify the foiling effect of the shadows, resulting in a sultry, smoky glam that will make you want to rock the night away. Some of this stuff is kind of cheesy reading it. So we're gonna swatch these. So I'm gonna swatch the first row right here. Am I too high? Yeah. I'm gonna first swatch these rows of these three colors on top. So I'm gonna swatch Punk. I really like the feel of it. It feels really nice. And since I got a tattoo, I'm just gonna do it on top of my arm. Ooh, the pigmentation is pretty good. And pretty fucking good. Holy shit. And then we're gonna swatch Wild Thing, which I actually do like that color. So, just putting it on my arm. That one's pretty. Just doing that one by itself and just blending out the edges of it. Really pretty. It's smoky eye. And then Black Metal. It's more like on the gray side. And that's more sheer. You see that right here? This is Black Metal. It's really sheer. So far this is the only sheerest color swatch so far. And then next we're going to do the second row. We're going to swatch Rock On, which is this gold color. I really do like the feel of these metallic colors. It feels really nice and creamy. Ooh, and that one's really vintage. So here is Rock On right here, this gold color. And I'm really not wipe my fingers, but we're going to use the thumbnail. And next is Rebel. Ooh, that one's pretty. That one is so pretty. Rebel is more of this orange coppery color. God, see this? I suck at these swatches. But yeah, this is it. And then I'm just gonna wipe this on the floor. Next is Heavy Metal. Ooh, I like that color. It's kind of similar to Punk, but Punk's more lighter than Heavy Metal, and this one gives you more of a pinky tone to it. I want to say, yeah, more of a pink tone, and this one gives you more of like a lavender tone. So this one is Heavy Metal right here. Oh, I gotta turn on a little bit. Right here. So next one is the Wicked, and this one's a pretty color too. See that? I'm actually gonna do it on the palm. Well, not palm, top of my hand. Ooh, that one's sheer. Yeah, that one didn't swatch that good. This is Wicked. I was hoping this would be pretty. Yeah, swatch good. Next one is Glam Rock. This is silver on the last row. So Glam Rock. Ooh, that one's pretty, but that one's kind of sheer too. Or might not. Let me do it again. Just see this. Let's test Wicked again. Applying a second layer does make it more pigmented, but still it's kind of sheer. So on top of Wicked is Glam Rock. I kind of like that color too. So this one with the Wild Thing would be pretty actually. And last one is Pop Rock. And this one's more of like a lighter golden color with a little bit of green reflex on it, I want to say. It's kind of pretty. That one's really pretty. That one's pretty. I actually do like the colors. Oh, I just dropped shit. Anyways, so that is the palette, the Glam Metals palette by Crown Royal. So here are all the colors, and here are all the swatches. I'm gonna turn my arm awkwardly. Yeah. I do like the feel of it. Some of the colors weren't as pigmented. God, this is in my throat. Yeah, some of the colors weren't as pigmented, but most of them are. I really do like Punk and Rebel a lot. Those are so freaking pretty. Anyways, let's get to the fourth thing. So, the fourth thing in this box is the the Complexion Authority. So where is it? It is the Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. So I'm gonna open it up. The clear casing just fell. So it's a pretty white case with silver writing. And here are all three of the colors. I do like all three, but I don't really care for this because I don't usually use like bronzers that are shimmering on me. So yeah, I'm gonna just swatch these. Hey, look at that. Let's just swatch all three of these real quick. Look at that pigmentation. Like, so barely tap on that because a lot. Anyways, its retail price is $34. It says an on-the-go highlight, bronzer, and blush palette with three skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone, featuring Pure's fan favorites Afterglow and Mineral Glow, along with a new blush shade, Blushing Glow. Throw this in your bag and you're ready to go. So I really do like this highlight color. Holy shit, it's so pretty on this blush color. It is pretty. So I can't wait to play with this. So I'm definitely going to make a look later on this week. I'll be posting this on Instagram. So check that out, and don't forget to follow me there. I said that earlier at the beginning. I'm going to repeat myself again. Probably repeat myself at the end. So yeah, really like these colors a lot. So the last thing is the Girlactik. Am I saying that right? I guess so. We're just gonna go with it. Matte lip paint. At retail price is $23. So here it is. This is the Girlactik. I'm saying that right. Matte lip paint. And then it shows you the color inside of here, and it is. Does it tell me the color on the back? Yes, it does on the package. It is called Demure. Am I saying it? Can I see it? Anyways, while I'm opening this up, it says one of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its word. It's lightweight, long-wearing, and non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or lip primer before application. So this is actually really pretty. Like, can't really tell the two because the tube's matte. So I'm picking out the other one. Swatch it. So it's like a classy lipstick tube, and it's the dough foot applicator. So I'm just gonna swatch it right next to all the other stuff. And I do like the feel of this. And it has that pretty smell to it. It smells nice. Anyway, it's like more of the red tone. More red tone. It's like a neutral color. I don't know what color to say this is. I suck at my hair colors. This is more like, I want to say, hair color. I don't know. Some color, but it's like more red. I really do like this color a lot. It's really pretty. Just waiting for it to dry a bit more to see how it dries. So I'm just gonna swing the iron area. Fan it. That's pretty nice. Okay. So I'm definitely gonna try this out when I do that makeup look. So I get, yep, that is the last thing. Jeez. Okay, I'm good. There's always hair in my eyelashes. Anyways, so that's it for this January unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me on all my other social media. I have that in the description box below, and also I'll make sure I have all the pricing and everything that was in this box for this month down in the description box below, so y'all, if y'all like it, y'all go grab you some of that stuff. So, anyways, yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.